Nice. Welcome back. 22 vet. Here on Lake Decker. Here with Craig. We went out yesterday to Bass Drop. Got our butts kicked out there. So we're here out the next day and we're gonna do Decker. We had a good day last time out here. We were really good. So we're gonna head back over where we were yesterday. I mean, last week, and see what we can do. All right, let's get to it. Drifting no more. Wow. There he is. Nice bass here. Shh, not again. Oh, got off. Man, it's a nice one too. Craziest luck with those big ones. Oh well. There's one, there's more. There he is. Come on. Get in there. Could have been that. Alright, finally, I had the wrong presentation, so yeah, about time we got on the board here. Nice little one. Alright, thank you, buddy. Yep, I can. Just gotta work at it for a moment. There he is. Yes. Damn it! Oh, you're off. This is the story of my life here. I start strip setting these things. There he is. Yeah, he's here.
Nice. That's a good one.
Oh my God, he's nice. Holy crap.
That is a good one. Alright, let's get him in the boat.
Yeah.
Dang. That is a big one.
Let's keep him in the water. It went.
Oh, no way. Oh, I don't believe it.
Let's fish that one's out. There he is. Nice. It's the little guy. Come on, buddy. Settle down. We'll take it. That's the little guy. See, I'll get that one in. It's a nice one you got there. Ho, 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 ho. Get that one in. Oh, come on. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Ho, ho. Ho, ho. I'm right into the weed line. I need to back up. Oh. All right. Let's get a couple here. There he is. He is a baby. What is he? Oh, he's a crappie. Look at this guy. That's a little crappie. Look at this. Nice little guy. There's one, there's more. See if you can get one. We'll get another one out here. I have never seen it this windy on the lake. It is definitely like captain out there. We still have to cross over it. About a mile, about 1/3 mile. Should be interesting. Crossing over. And it is blowing. Like crazy blowing.
About halfway. I got a trout.
Picked up.